on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Lucas Terco here, and in today's video I decided to make a little video about how to grow your shoulders in the gym. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys the best ways and best exercises and my tips and tricks on how to grow your shoulders. So we're going to start off with the overhead military press. Standing press, it's the best thing to do. It's like a compound movement basically, guys, so let's hop right into it. So basically the way I structure my shoulder workouts, guys, is we always start with the pressing. We want to do some heavy pressing first, and then we get into all the lateral raises. But the truth is, the only way you're going to put some serious mass onto your shoulders is if you start with your pressing movements. So make sure you put your belt on and then get overhead pressing. We
I look like a mess.
Ran into some trouble. Say hi to my subscribers. We're at 175 now.
That's fun.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna get into some dumbbell presses. I know they're pressing motion, but we only did 4 sets of the first one.
I'm doing 85 pounds.
She's doing 85s.
Is that a thing?
I'm only doing 70s, but we're still getting a good workout.
Yo, we're just gonna get some lat delt raises.
That's right, yo. All right, so all the pressing is done. After you do the pressing and you've built some mass on your shoulders,
accessories, baby.
You're gonna get accessories. So you're gonna do your raises. You're gonna do your front delt raises, your lat delt raises, and your rear delt raises. So right now we just did a bunch of front and middle. So instead of doing rear already, we're gonna get into some lateral raises, probably the most important. When you're done, you're all burnt out, you're going to do partial reps. This is the most important part. Putting your shoulders under constant tension and just burning out. Once you finish all the rear delt, front delt, all the delt raises, you're gonna burn out with some machine press. My advice with this, guys, don't go heavy, go light, focus on the form and all about the contraction. That's how you really grow your muscles. Don't ego lift and put on too much weight and do ultimate burnout when you're doing your shoulder workout. Instead of using the handle, you're going to be using this. This attachment is key. It attaches right onto your wrist. You don't have to grab anything. It eliminates all forearm interaction and it's all delts. So burnout with this, it's really good one. Definitely try it out. Alright guys, so basically that concludes my shoulders workout. I'm doing a little bit of abs right now and then go flex. Send the blood flow straight to the muscle. But that's my shoulders routine and all my tips, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and try it out. Practice safe sets, guys. at Jesse James West.